Hello everyone. Today we'll study class 4th chapter the Western Desert, which is also known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. So let's begin the chapter. The Western Desert. Location of this desert lies to the west of northern plains. This desert is also known as Indian Desert or Thar Desert. It stretches from Rann of Kutch of Gujarat to border of Haryana, and it covers most part of Rajasthan. In this Indian political map, you can see there is a line between Rajasthan which divide the Rajasthan into two parts. So in the western part, the Thar Desert lies. This is the map of Thar. Physical features. Mostly this part covered with sand, that is sand dunes. These are small hills of sand. This region has extreme climate and scarcity of water. That is, during the summer, the days are very hot and nights are cold. But during winters, days are very warm but nights are extremely cold. Rainfall is scanty, therefore, there is always a shortage of water. Here you can see some of the pictures of Thar Desert. Camel. This is also known as a ship of desert, and camel is very useful in Thar Desert. It is used as a means of transportation. Camel skin is used to make tents and their hair is used to make cloths. Camels are also used for plowing fields as well as for drawing water from the wells. Camels have padded feet and they can walk easily on the loose sand. They also stay without water and food for a long time. And the most important thing, dust storms do not affect their vision. Temperature of Thar Desert. As we know, the rainfall is very scanty there. So, in some places, underground water comes to surface from pool, and that is called an oasis. Trees, plants grow near oases, that are date palm and cactus plants. Places those have very little rainfall slowly become desert. There are many other reasons of this, like overgrazing and deforestation also. Here you can see the picture of an oasis and the plants grown in desert. Life in desert. Life is very difficult in desert because of water scarcity. Indira Gandhi Canal runs through northwest and it is the longest canal in India. Brings water from river Satluj to many parts of Rajasthan. Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Ganganagar, these are some of the areas which get help from this canal. It made Rajasthan green, and nowadays Suratgarh near Ganganagar has grown into the biggest and largest wheat farm in Asia. Houses in Rajasthan have flat roof and very small and low windows to keep the heat sand out. Here you can see some of the pictures of the small towns and villages of Rajasthan. Most of the people led a nomadic life here. They are also known as Banjaras or nomadic peoples. Sheep, goat, camel rearing are their occupations, and those people are settled near oases. They do the farming where water is available. Tourist attraction. Rajasthan is one of the famous state for tourist attraction and places. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan and is also known as the Pink City. We can see many historical palaces, forts, and temples here. It is rich in culture, and people wore very beautiful and bright dresses. Women wear ghagra, choli, and odhani, whereas men wear dhoti, kurta, and turban. Here you can see the picture of beautiful and colorful dresses of the people of Rajasthan. These are some of the famous tourist attraction: Hawa Mahal, Rang Mahal, Uday Mahal. With this, we end up this chapter here.